Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Asana for team task tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To start using Asana for team task tracking, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Asana website at www.asana.com. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click Get Started. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Asana. Open the email and click the confirmation link provided. Once redirected to Asana, create a secure password for your account. Fill out the required fields, including your name and organization details. After completing the sign-up, familiarize yourself with the layout, which includes project tabs and task views. To create your first project, locate the New Project button. Click on New Project and choose either a blank project or a template. Name your project and select a project layout, like list or board view. Now, start adding tasks to your project by clicking the Add Task button. In the input field, type the name of your first task and press Enter. For each task, you can assign team members by clicking on the Assignee field. Set due dates for each task to keep your team on track. Utilize the Add Descriptions section for detailed task information. Continue adding tasks until your project is fully outlined. Once your project is created, invite team members to collaborate. Click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your team members' email addresses and send the invitation. After team members accept the invitation, they can access the project. Encourage collaboration by using task comments for updates and discussions. Track progress using status updates and completion statuses. Explore Asana's features like timelines and calendar views for better organization. Familiarize your team with Asana's mobile app for task tracking on the go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.